Kona Cloud Forest. Guided walking tours rising 3,000 feet above sea level on the island of Hawaii. The Kona Cloud Forest is a wonderful experience for both young and old. Professionally guided walking tours through the prehistoric forest of exotic trees, plants, and flowers. Only a 20-minute drive from downtown Kona, 9 miles from the Kona International Airport. Open 7 days a week, rain or shine. It's been recently voted as the #1 guided tour company in the United States by Travel and Hospitality magazine. All tours are by phone appointment only. So for more information and details, call today at 808-640-3888. Aloha and Mahalo.